Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix any TV remote not working. Alright, let's begin. If your TV remote is not working, these steps can help with most common issues. This applies if the remote is completely unresponsive, if only some buttons work, or if one button keeps repeating. First, remove the battery cover and replace the batteries with new ones. Make sure they are inserted in the correct direction. Test the remote to see if the issue is fixed. If the remote still does not work, remove the batteries again. Now press and hold the power button on the remote for about 60 seconds. This drains any remaining power and helps reset the remote. After that, release the button and press every button on the remote a few times. This helps free any stuck buttons and loosen dust or debris. Next, gently shake the remote to remove anything trapped inside. You can also lightly tap it against your palm, not against a hard surface. This can help clear internal contacts. Now, reinsert the batteries correctly and test the remote before putting the cover back on. If the remote still does not work, repeat these steps once more. In many cases, this restores normal function. So that's basically how you can fix any TV remote not working. That's it for this video. Thanks.